All right, boys, we're gonna take a little detour here and change some of these door pins. So if you guys own a OBS 88 to 98 GMC Chevy pickup, these door pins are bad. Pin that adjusts the rotation when it comes out and kind of gives you resistance. It's literally broken off on this one at the pin down here, and this one on the passenger side was super bent. Some good high quality bushings from a machine shop. Nice, now the lines all line up. Before it was all racked down. Now it slides beautifully. So check it off the box.